we're gonna try this again. So my camera just stopped recording for literally no reason, but anyways, I'm going to start this now. I got my first HelloFresh box. So we're going to unbox this baby, and I'm not going to cook anything right now, so when the cooking part of this video comes up, I'm probably going to look 10 times better than I do right now. So I just got back from the gym, so this was waiting for me. But anyways, let's just like see what comes in here. So there's a little thing that says just a little something extra just for you. I don't know what's in here, so we're going to take a look really quickly. Coupons. Love that for me. Cute. My dog is licking my leg right now. Why? Okay. Then there is like a pamphlet or something. I don't know. And then right here are the recipe cards. So we got the pineapple poblano beef tacos and the balsamic fig chicken. So that's awesome. Yeah, just basically shows the recipes and how to do it. So that's awesome. We definitely need those. And then the box. The box. That was my mom in the background, by the way. So we're gonna take a look into this box. Okay, we're gonna record it like this. Hi guys, here's my box. It says HelloFresh on the side. That's dope. Okay, it's insulated to keep everything as fresh as possible. My dog may start barking. If he does, I apologize. Okay, so you open this bad boy up and it looks like that. So that's fun and fresh. Cute. Each meal is bagged separately for ingredients. This one is the pineapple beef tacos. So we have that. And then this one is for the balsamic fig chicken. And then on the bottom, there is a thing that says, don't forget about ingredients which may be hiding under the ice, which would mean that is where the meats would be found. So there are 3 big ice packs. 3 of them. But we got the ground beef for the tacos and the chicken for the chicken. That's pretty awesome. But yeah, so that's the box. And then we're going to cut to me cooking one of these recipes, which will not be tonight, but quick cut. Hey guys, so no, I don't look better, but this is a different day. We're going to cook, and I'm going to show you how this goes. We're going to see. I hope it goes good. Fingers crossed. I made the fig chicken a couple days ago, and it was really freaking good. A1, A+. Today, we're doing the pineapple poblano beef tacos. Okay, well, yeah, so those are the instructions. Here's the bag. Here's the beef. Let's get a cookin'. I'll go home. Sorry. Cute. Okay. Take the ring off. tortillas. Tortillas. Cilantro. A pineapple cup, how bougie. A tomato. That was my stomach if you heard that. Very hungry. Okay. Poblano pepper. Or I'm assuming an onion. Or I'm assuming another tomato. A lime. Tomato just ran away from me, but it's fine. Okay. And then we got some sour cream, if you can see that. I know that the light is kind of bright. Taco spice, yum, and some more sour cream. So let's do this. So basically, we gotta dry and cut all of these produces we will see. We will see. I'm not very good at cutting up veggies, so I'm not going to record me cutting these because it's going to take way too long, and I don't have a time-lapse thing on this camera, so I'm going to cut all of these things and then I will be back to save battery and save my sanity. Okay guys, I think I did pretty good with cutting it up. That's an A+, just kidding, but it took me way longer than I thought it was supposed to. But yeah, we got our onions, peppers, limes, tomatoes, and cilantro. So now we move on to mixing them together for the salsa and cooking the meat. Bowl. We need 2 tablespoons of onion, 1/4 cup peppers, half the cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. and then I'll finish this. Okay. Taste test. He's under the table. Why? Oh yeah, that is good. Okay guys, so I'm in my room. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love it. Final review is, if you haven't tried it, you definitely should. I think that's like a really cool thing to have, like if you're living on your own or some stuff like that, especially if you don't cook that much and you can get 2 meals a week, 3 meals a week for 2, 3, or 4 people. They have veggie options, family options, and then the regular plan, which is from 2 to 3 people. Family option I think is like 2 to 4. If you're deciding that you want to try HelloFresh, you can use this code and you can get $40 off your first box. So that is cool and awesome, and who doesn't like discounts? I'm gonna leave the link and that code down in the description as well. So anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below and click the little bell if you want to get notified when I upload. This was great. It was really good. I tried that fig chicken like I said before. I cooked that a couple days ago for me and my boyfriend's mom, and honestly, really freaking good. And figs creep me out. So props to them for doing that amazing. And everything was really fresh. There was literally no problems with any of the produce that came in. The meat was great, like everything, like it's really nice. And the shipping, once they shipped it out, only took like 2 days. Not even, because it came in like early on the second day. I'm not focused on. There we go. Okay, yeah. Anyways, so thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you. Bye.
I don't have to be a bitch. I know karma's gonna deal with